Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add bangs in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with uploading our photo that we want to edit. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, we have two options for doing so, either with our camera roll or directly from our photo gallery. So what you want to do to be able to add bangs is first upload a clear front-facing photo, and then we are going to open up the menu right here for editing by tapping on the photo. You can go ahead and use a female version of yourself, or you can go ahead and just use any picture, but basically it's going to look like this. I'm just using a male representative right here, and you're going to go ahead and go into the hairstyles option right here. So you can see once you click on hairstyles, you're going to go and be able to take a look at all the hairstyles that are available to you as a man. As you can see, it has recognized on the picture that I'm a man, but if you're a female, you are going to see different versions right here. They're going to enable you to select different types of hair, and one of those options is going to be bangs. So you can click on bangs to see how they look. If you're satisfied, you can just go and save the image in the upper right corner to your gallery, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.